Ke hello ye kodino gade no. Da hanya ye do shape ya bakawe da le drama he utho bakawe da le Miss KnyawMu USA da kage no. But sara di da no mi ba. Dollar the blue near tobu ni no ta sa de pani ta huta ready te pani to oba mono. Do no koni the me mala ye kama ba je claim ni to o not mi ba bakawe da le Miss KnyawMu kai last minute ba ni no when ni la so te da pa ma ni ta sa ta mi mi ya we te ka ta phi go mo no bla te pa ma ya pa ma miss ka nyo mu ya phe ni ne pe te ta ko mo no bla te e ba pa we da khe la khe che mo no we ni mu ka no che mu pwa che no pa ka mo we da ni lo mo no bla di ni pa ka ma miss ka nyo mu bla phe ni pe chu mo sa kwa da ta bla no ta la miss ka nyo mu ni no pa mi ma khu ta sa de mu pwa ni no really me no ya yi mu pwa lo ya yi mu pwa lo yi ba ta ni lo che me no bam ni ko le no pa we you know one no ni top one ya ta ni sa polo mi no they wanted to have fun too no pa mu pa na ke dota ri pa mu no na ke dota ri lo that is right but bam ni ko la pa sa te la pa ka ma the mu no le no jike mu pa ga no mi no jike mu pa ga ni no your confidence o a do di mu no ga di no bam ni ko le no ye ta le khop lo a je no bloody pa mu pa ni pa ta me sha ra the to mu no ba mi no ko ta ni chu mo but min no lo di ni no ta sa de pa no they just wanna have fun mi no we pa mu pa ni pa min ni ba phu miss ka nyo mu ni no how they gonna feel no pa ta sa tu ba di le mo no ye ko jin sa mo no mi ye do tu do sa no ko ta ni chu mo pa ba ma mu pa de mu ka no lo cho lo no ba mu ko le ke o di ni pa na we da ba mu ko no ma the lo lo mu ka no le ba mu ko mu pa le mu pa na ke do ta ri lo mi no pa do ta ri lo mi the awene pa talents oni mi pasado la ta do tu do ta wera ta sa no la atani bobo ti pha no aweti pha di so awene ta me sha di kasga lo de aweti pha ni no ka fair da go mo no bisa da okay ma wera la mu ka nor kha lo pa mi ma khi kha le ni no pa mu pa mi ni di ka na di mu ka nor di asa de mu je ba no ba mu ko ta le miss ni no ni mi le kwa ga do la we ni ta blur de no ar ki ba ma da miss la beauty pageant me ge miss universe me ge they all have to be single no awe de ka ba mi single lo mo which makes sense me no awe ni mu ge se la me no ko ta ni ka ba me da mu ka no lo no ko ta pe chu mo okay pa ka ma mu ka no kha de mu pwa kha pe te lo ta ni pe chu mo sa wa de pe che ro no ba ba no pa ka ma da miss ma ni pe che ro no ba ba no last minute lo no apu ku kinui te thani lo no blog we te ya mo no okay de sa tho ni ni ta ko khu we da sponsor mo no phe ni we te okay pa ma chu we da la ta sa mo no he ta khwa ta ya chu la single mi ya no po we te ni khamu ni ma pa ka ma blog ni pe te we da cha ni we ya ni no pa u sa pe mo no si ta ni pe ke mu pwa lo pe e do pe ta khwa ta ya lo ba sa do ta khwa ta ya phe so pa ga ni we do ni di la pa ka cha ho di mi ya no blog ni pa lo we da ta ni te ma ta te ya chu mo ba ma le te chi ko ni se pha khu a no phe ni chu mo da wa ta sa patient ni chi lui ni chi ye ni te ya very smart no da we te do da pha du pha tho li mo no the beauty pageant sorry miss KnyawMu khai ni no pa ma ni mi da yo pho lo mo no ko ta ni pe do la we te ni lo no ko ni ar ki ni ye chana ne ba kana alo ba ta po lo mi no do we ti di ti nya pho no ba ni mo pa ta no da le ni ta chu che da pho no e do ni lo mi no do di ni ba ta no ni ta ni chi ki ni chi ta ni da le de no nya de yin ni lo ta ni ho ne pa chu la ta ni cha ta lo ni te ni lo le la khi mo no ke ni ba ka ma chu ba ja ti si ye ni no ba ko drama he ro ni wa te ba la no ni tu post cha ba le ta pa tu pa ta cha niนติยาเรา Facebook เนาะเป็นแต่ post เราว่าเขาที่เป็นแล้วกว่านี่ว่า comment ดอดูอันนี้เป็นตานี่ negative เล่ๆเนาะประมาณเรานี่แต่ไม่เป็นนี่บุญนี่เล่จิบาเนาะแต่เชื่อก็ตัวดีนี่เป็นสารมานี่กว่าเราเนี่ยโฟนนี่เนาะว่าเทมเมสว่าตีกว่าได้เนาะบัดดื้อตียามนิ่มได้โอ้ปุยมาคลิปเนาะตัวบัดจีนอร์บาบัดสารเราเป็นเสดนาแล้วว่าตาสาวก็หรอบัดสารเราขี้นี่ตาทิกมาเนาะบางนี่เขาจะเทิร์นว่ามือว่าเลยที่ชั่วโมงละว่ามือว่าดูได้ดีอ่ะที่มาเราเว้ยนี่เนาะแต่เฟบ้าเนาะมันทาเลยออนไลน์ซะเลยเนาะpe edu mara lo ba ko ga de go lo ba sa ji ro not pi ge ba ba sa ro dai ki mi ni ni ta sa to ni bu bu pho no ko ta ni pe he cho we da ta sa ka to lo ta sa no do pa ga chi la ka ma de ti nya ba no ye yi mu bwa ga ye ba ta nu lo we ni miss KnyawMu ji คนนี่ไปชมโอเคแค่โมนี่อาดินี่ปะตาเชอต่อกับอาดิเซปะกะมารามือปวาตะพือดอปะกกอมีลอซอดิเจมิสกะญอมืออาดินี่ไปดูดาเทลละตาซามือเดซิงเกิลมเนาะดอมิเมียดาละตาปวาเดแมรี่เดปะกะเฮอมีตะมิโอเนาะปะเพลลอบาจานี่มเนาะผู้ตานี่นกะมาราดมิมินี่เนาะเลตาเชอตอเลกลูเลเซดอปะละกะบะมาเจราติกะบะโอเมียเนาะเคอาดินี่เนาะตรามลาโซเนี่ยว่าตามาอดอดูว่าบาเรกเลราดอดูบลอตาคานิเคลสมาริตอนี่เนี่ยตาซาลตุชุตาเกลามาเจมเนาะดิโตอติทอนี่จะ Instagram อติทอนี่จะ Facebook page เนาะอติทอนี่จะดิโตปัชลบตาโหดิมาเจเวมเนาะตาซาตินี่มาเจเวคนนี้เนาะยตาคือมเนาะมิยารกานี่ยมาดวาเนาะยพูคีกายตามาอุจิบลอตากาอุจิผู้ท่านนี่ตนี่ยวันนี้ที่เวลาเล post เตพานี่เนาะအခတ်တီရတဲ့နေဒီမှုရကနေဝဲ post လော blog ဒီနေနော်ရလက် comment จีနော်ရလက် comment blog ဒီနေယကိအဝဲတဲတော့မနော်ဝိသစုတပါပါလောဝဲတာယကိယကလိုလာနဲ့ channel တွေနော် fine နော် blog ဒီနေလက်တာကရှောလောမတာရှောလိုက်တဲ့ okay I apologize နော်အဝဲနေရ delete ဝီ blog နဲ့အဝဲခိတဲ့ကဒါခိလဲရဲတော့မှာဝင်မဲ့ဝင်နာ blog ဒီနေ delete the what I don't expect this from younger people to talk like this okay when yet chumula bata sajani te achani ba mono they are way younger than me you can ask question right the no kweda bla comment of shape ya wili no bloni bitili wili no mi wini hete agado bloody ni post on ni loga gi lai takama no baby girl no yani to no what the bloody khwe kanya wa nya lo keep bloody I'm not backing up okay I got nothing to lose I did nobody wrong okay I did not wrong anybody I did not use any of your money or nothing okay yamara we ni lai ka ta chha to la ta tu ta o lo mya no install ya we ni expeller I have to be the one that apologize and not do anything yes I'm gonna cause a little bit of headache to you that's how I am no and that's not about being petty the ba chumula na makama wa daga no to ro ta pa we adi ni wa ba pi di kha ba tha khu ri no blor nya ga te mi ni pa mara we ni no wa te da la ba groom we da wa ta sa no di to pa ma pa yue cha ni ta ma pa yue wa nya no ga pa mo ba pa ma ni te la cha lo ni po mi di ta mi la ba ka le mo we da pa happy chit da no bikini ma ba ta thanu ba no aku ta ni do pwe te pha ya ka pha we da comment no blor di ni ye do share ပြသူเนาะ ye do share ပြသူဒသူဝဲသူမေတာစားသေးဖာနေသူတာတိကပါထောမနော်ခါစညာနေသူကပါမာရမြေเนาะ ye တဲ့ ye တာပွားဒိုနေသေးဒီเนาะဘာသာတော့တတ်ဒိုသူဒိုသားတော့ပါသူတာချုံမှုတီဆဆာတော့ပါเนาะတက်ခိတနကွယ်လောက် comment post လောဘလနေ you expecting like I'm just have to be quiet no because in social media everybody comment and they see negative things and they keep attacking me that do nothing wrong okay I gotta do something okay okay la pay ni achogta ni awe ni dimur gai ni awe mi me da la kin cho no okay do awe kwe we da phe phe ni 1 second okay no awe la phala phe kha no you ka pha chu la we comment we do you give respond ki we da no let me move this a little bit okay awe kweda so if you are KnyawMu no nami kera pa KnyawMu ni you are married and have kids you are not allowed to join fashion show for SD no nami choi chokoda no phome oni ta te hin na ta khwela na kanu lo wa da fashion show la so ko tha ba no to the host no pala rek le da mo no are you for real mata no ko ha are we going to do such thing like that to KnyawMu to KnyawMu for real no there are nakamara che the pato lo this is unbelievable that way ni to lo na ba do it for everyone or don't do it at all mala pa ko ga de go mi de mi man not said we not only mu kono have nice body but mu pwa tu no the me tham pa mu kono o we da de amu pwa ki go la ri ba pa mu pwa se ko lo let everyone who want to join shows their talents no wale edo nulo de pha no mo apya tho ata la no ple nulo ko ga mo no edo se ni make it make sense no ma we da di to make sense mo no di to By the way, no, delay this is not for me though. Away the me you go ba. I'm not into fashion show, no. It the me where you come fashion show, but I have friends who would like to join. No, you always that to call it edu join where I be mindful, no. Tomorrow la thank you, no. Blonny you get no. Yani you marry, no. I marry myself and most of my married friend wanted to have Miss KnyawMu as well, no. Ye to ko no lo ti lo ya dei to ko ga ti pete lo ta lo no pe do no lo je ba sa de share pya we ti no. It is about Miss KnyawMu is not about showing off your body. You share pya kin mo no. Ta lo Miss KnyawMu ni ta me we da lo pa ka ma ta sa ti pha pya lo o ki wo ba mo no. Me a ka ba ha to ki lo de me we mya ba kwa ba ki ba sa do ta me da lo pa focus we da lo wa khu du ki du ta chai ba mo no. It's not about their body, okay? It's about empowering our young ladies, no? Mi wada ta hi ba hi chu roi da ta sa te pha look at get hoi da good role model do ko wada the confidence mo no ko ni confidence we a read do mo no ke ni wa ta sa nu lo the blue ga no ata chu je na ke apply da je no ye mar bu ba no ye le bu ba no ba te wa ti ma ho no tu we ta sa le lo chu mo sa wa ta sa ti pha he pra da pa mu po le ti ti pha mi pa le wa kla ni wa ta sa ti pha ni a ka pli ba wa je lo mya no aku ta ni no you have to consider that too no aku ta ni no pe edo hi ba cho ta sa mo no we did think about having both married and single ladies together no you te pya we mo no pa cho mo je no la pa ka ma we da married and single ladies the bu kho mo no ba sa do no we ni po o de ta ki ko mo no di to wa ta ni ti ni mi ma married da ke wa ta ni ki chi su pha kho mya no wa ta sa le ti chi ye ni mi le ba pro da de ti we ta po ki chi lu ki chi ye ti cho mo ka ma cha le mo no think about it mya no yes we want to be inclusive but we have to be fair first no ye te pya mo no pe edu la pa ko ade pa ku ma to ko ba sa do pa ka ba fair a chok ta ni mo no we didn't have enough time and budget to organize both groups at the same time no but to we da de che the when ni ta chok to le la po la pa ka ma we da mu kwa de mu ka no ki pu la ba mo no however we are trying our best and hopefully next year we are organize both groups separately no ko ta ni pakla sa ge to de pcham la la khem ho ni ni pa ma we da ka ni we da ki phu la no ba sa do mu ka no de phu mu pwa de phu mo no pa te do la ta te a ba tu chomo the lo la mu pwa de te ba mo chomo sa wa pa we mu pwa min ne ni mu ka no ni ata ka ba do lo mi a ke ma ni no pa ta sa ra ri no mi ba mu pwa te a ra li mi a no ko ni no you said right there no I appreciate your negativity no you appreciate that no nata when you negative no yes it is unbelievable no you keep quote that no next year I like you to help us planning and fundraising to host both events no kemoni ne ye edula naka macho wala plan or fundraiser wada la kikala mo no do penny ni awe ke comment color when ni ta de edu wada la ta มีพลาดและโซเชียลมีเดียว่าอย่าเตะเชก็ได้เกี่ยวมั้งเนาะถ้าคันนี้ screenshot ว่าโดยเตะไว้ได้มั้งเนาะโอเคมั้งเนาะ I apologize I'm older เมียนอย่าเตะมั้งอย่าตาป้อนนี่นาคนนี้อย่าก็ชอบเราช่วยตาเมียเนาะแล้วอย่า delete ไว้เนาะอันนี้มันนี่อย่าแต่ละเตะชาเนาะมีบ่าอยู่ดาเราเลยเชฟยาเราเดี๋ยวอย่า delete ไว้อย่า comment แค่ละนี้บางนึกคนเลยอย่าเตะดูแลดราม่าโอ้ทว่าเดี๋ยวเพนนี่เนาะไว้ให้กิเตะก็ได้เว้เนาะไว้ให้กิเตะเนาะ So Mumu A blocked my comments. No, I did not block. I just deleted. Okay. She said I'm older, so I apologize. No. Tela ta pado kuni ta kikanya. She don't need to say that. Atalo tera diniba. I'm 23 and I know better. No. You kichi tera itinya ani diodi. She apologized to make her face pretty. Awa kikanya ta la kamakhi me lo no. Ita makhi me ba dimu. You apologize nani. To be honestly, I did apologize deep in my heart. That's why I delete the whole comment, okay? I'm not buying that. I know what's on her mind when she said that. No? This is just pure drama, okay? Pure drama. Why would you say that? I delete the whole comment. Bloody no. If I chat on in it, you can post law where profile that they kill, no? Bloody had they delete that wall or that poem knew that. Ye deba chetili yani ya. You quick and yawa chulo. Nagi wa miss him makamaya nino. No, you gotta learn your lesson. You can't do that, no. Nadaba chamula la nagto deba wada when you pagaba or porgi mono kotani young lady, please don't do that again. When somebody apologizes to you, you take it gracefully. I did apologize deep in my heart, even though I did nothing wrong. And I delete the whole comment. I did not block you or anything. But you say one drama. I don't know. Okay. Do pain it dimo wera te ni no. It's more painful to me, no. Loga di to lo po we ba kwen ni lwe ni wata sa pa ma to ro ta pa ho no. Hu ni awe te ni no. Too much whitewash, no. Too whitewash, no. But here we love Pachiwa Koway, but the Bachumula Bagatura is Okalawa Jani, no. Why consider everything, no? Okay. This one, no. Do okay, awe pathodi la poladi nagi yaka pawada kela we kichaki post lokinia, they were a ta kwera ni the patho hodani, nimi shape ya the shape ya kelamo, hodani. I'm gonna read the whole things, okay? Okay, overlap. So tired. Why you do everything and people say blame you for nothing, huh? Don't get it. Okay. Okay, I will have comment do mono, but ye ba shape yati mono. Through criteria janiwa mono to tasade when you but I don't expect that, young people will say stuff like this, Okay. Oh, I let delivery I chira banaki you go shape ya weda la kwe da tamya la o weda let's screenshot it. Okay, maybe it's here. Okay, Penny, if this event is meant to empower young girls to be confident, then an age limit is fair. No, there are la ta huta ge khai ni mi weda la ke hi ba weda ta sa po mu ni no ta pa pano khai da ta ni no a fair lo mo no grouping women into mukano and mupwa isn't fair practice no basa do no naka group weda no naka pa lo phai da mukano mupwa ni the fair ba no it is fair no it is very fair because I'm a mupwa and I have a lot of confidence and I know everything because I got my master degree compared to 15 years ago, okay? Not compared to everybody. I can answer a question without hesitation, but they say, what's the question? Can you tell us, can we speak English or can we speak Korean? I can speak both English, Korean, and whatever, but they can't. That's why it is fair to let them be first. Yeah, no, it's okay to just be behind even though you are better mia nimi hui ni bwa da le nimi ula pa lo khini a fail lo mo mia no ho da ni bwa la chi la the fail ni la kle cha le de tin ya ba na ke a with the author sa mo no yena po no you guys are young married ladies. When I got married I was 21. No matter what I say, I'm way more confident than 15 years ago, okay? When but group out Johnny, to tell the fair bani, to chumo delay the thing about ye till a fail on, and it's not even realistic. It is realistic. You look at beauty pageant, you look at Miss Universe, they all have single, okay? So it is realistic. I don't know what is not realistic to you. So let me keep going. It's no different than saying you are not allowed this activity because it is not meant for mupua or try to put mupua in their place. No, there are when you put lo ai da la put he mupua ta kwe ta ya do when you palo chowe da mupua no. This is not my intention. No, but the thing about the tasa de katiwa dini basa do no. Nimi ke wa tasa no ne chumu sa wala single de pani. Single pani pa mu po min lo na klara pa mu po min ni odi ni na ke single na tani ba ni it is very uncomfortable honi this is no different than conforming to societal norms that expect women to stay home and take care of their family and be a servant to their husband there are lo aweda di to lo pa ma po thwe weda what the world si da ni societal norms ni ta la pa ma nyo nu le edwe da le pom ni ko da le shi ko kwa thwe da pho wa da when ni di ni no you got the wrong idea okay I'm a woman. I have kids. I have husband. I take care of them. I cook well. I clean well. I know how to do stitching, everything. But I still go out and work. Okay. So this is not about it. And my brain is not that narrow minded. Okay. You ta chi ta chomo ni ta I ni ba no. But the middle of a da mu pa la at the so da mu no ko ba. Do you share that la live stream in the car will no. With it ta so do with it kwa we da Facebook the you chen ba ko ni ta tinya ba no. But I am explaining to you now. This is not what you think, okay? Blood in here, no? I'm pretty sure everyone knows that by now. Women have grown out of these norms, no? Yeah, now what I like, pomite pani, no? Dito tamila dito mulu palabamo. I believe that too, okay? If you want your focus to be on younger girl, then say that, but you shouldn't restrain mupua out of participating just because they are mupua. Yes, I restricted just because they are mupua. And it's not because of their lack of talent or lack of any beauty. No, it is because we have more confidence. Yes, mupua, a lot of them way more pretty. Why? Because after your baby, your body fully formed, you're more sexy than these younger 15 years old, right? That's what I see. I did not see that mupua less pretty. No, you tip on mupua ni duta read rock or duta read do the mugano banco. No audio po we on mupua cholemiano, Nikiko Raro, and Sanapua de Puerano. When if they do it, I love Pomutasa de Paqua water. We don't want the younger girl to get scared, like the 15, 16, 18 years old girls. I think it for them, but you think it for yourself. So that's the difference there. Okay. um okay, that kind of rule is unrealistic and ridiculous, no? Along the line of empowerment and women, there is no such thing as mupo and mukano. Women are just women. Yes, there's such thing as mukano and mupua. There's single marriage, there's such a thing. That's why if you are married, you need to go get your license, right? Marriage license, and you divorce, you have to go through a tons of shit. Okay, so there is the difference. Yes, women are women, but younger women are still different than older women. Okay, single are still different than a lot of married women, because our culture is way more different than Western culture. Western culture, a lot of people not married, but still, have a lot of kids. But in a culture like when single, there's a lot of younger girls that never cohabited or stuff like that. So yes, it is different. Women is the same, but still, a younger girl are different than older women. Okay, I'm just trying to explain. No, honey. Bahara lora chani wadi ni wa he kame wa share ni get hogi labata kama kelo mono kuta ni yite mono pay ni they have comment do no they don't start drama blah blah blah. But if you don't start drama, why would you start spreading these things? Why you do that? You can I put my number here. You can ask me like other girls, other women, other ladies. They call me and they ask me, hey, can I enter the contest, or and I explained to them, we want to have both single and married, but we can't because of so many issues. No, tapi ami ko ni pe edo mu pwa je pe edo mu kano je no basa do yeta ni no tami weda di to tita ti ba no tami weda le yiti chi mu pwa ko ye pa lo cho ba yiti do mu pwa ko ye pa lo cho mu pwa bam ni ko le with their pani, they're more powerful than the younger girl that never experienced anything, right? Kota ni no tala mu pwa ni no akla do ni di pwa ta sa di no agi do ni di me no kota ni no pa mani da pwa ta sa ko ni yisamula le tu ka ta mi tu ka ta mi de mi la ya yo go ba tu ka ta mi we da le tu pu de no ta sa ti phai do ni ba ta khwe da ya mi ya no do kha sin ya mi tu me do mala okay single the married together you can do it. I'm not gonna go and criticize you, okay? In the future you wanna organize both single and married, go ahead. Go ahead, I will support, definitely support that. I'm not gonna go around and say blah blah blah, why the host doing this, you know no, I won't do that. Why? I understand when you say those words, how much it cost me, how much pain cost me. Because first, the words that you say, other people come and comment, they are laughing like I'm dumbass. And all I've tried to do was think for these younger girls first instead of think for me as a married woman who also wanted to be in beauty pageant or who also want to be in Miss KnyawMu, okay? ကိုနေရတူတဲဝဒါနော်ပွာလာမယ်ရီတိဖာနော်ခါစညာနီနော်ပဖလဲလောက်ကဂျေလပကမာဝဲဒါမူပွားနော်ပဲအဲ့ဒွဲဒါလောပွားကောဟာတဲ့ have fun. I want everybody to have fun, but one thing we have to learn is don't go and start drama and expect me to be quiet, okay? No, you go and post stuff and say stuff and all your friends come and comment it and they all share and go around and you want me to just sit and say nothing. Yes, of course I do have to explain myself because I don't want the negative to overpower this small event that we just try to do. No, event where matamita phadu ba no puta ni ta ilo walo ta sa do ta ilo ni ke da pa kanyo lilar khawa pa mi mara da ni pa ba lete cha. What is that, no? If somebody try to do something, why we all have to go and attack and post your negative opinion and stuff like that instead of just supporting them, or maybe at least getting all your information before you say something? Because I explained it about these whole things before, because I knew some people would be like disagree and upset, but some of the things we can't please everybody. No, yama wera pa ko ga dia ta ba ta ti ba mi no. Who a lot of time we thinking that, oh, older generation, they're so narrow minded, but now you see like it's happened with the younger generation, and it's very like appalling to me. I was like, wow, how could they say that? I don't get it. No, batasa mia no, but chumula batasa ni batatita na pagatomo no mia. We're not excluded. We're not excluded mupua just because they are mupua. I was thinking more positive. I was thinking more positive terms than what you're thinking. Yes, we have different expectation, different view, but I was thinking in positive terms. No, ko tani pe edu mu pwa ni mani no. Pe edu lo mo no. Ta sa na ki pe edu lo na ki di to she pya ti lo mo no. Mu pwa la we ni o ki si ble plu ro college jo no. Pho ta ga ki ga ta me sha ra no ta mi ba bu da du da khet la. Na ka le product pa pho ta chi ya ni chi khu ni chi nu ni ga ni na chu mo fair. Is that fair? The fair je ba mi do ta miss ni ka ba mi mu ka no mi no mu ka no ko ta ni pa mu pwa do ta gi mi pa mu pwa pa clear ni mi po de ta la di mi na ki te why can't we just have mu pwa and be happy? We can do that too, right? Pa ma the mu pwa ni pa ta khu lo mi ta lo pa le pro lo ta de pa phu ta de e lo ta de pa phu ta no pa mi ma ni cho la pa la ta sa phu ta de mi pa ke pa la ta pwa de pa ba cho thwe mi I don't know. You love bui na. I don't know. I'm tired, okay? It's not only this. The pita mania ga do no when you love bui mono. You love bui. Yeah, I got it. I want to do both. I do want to do both, but I already explained. It is not fair for a younger, girl. It's not. It's not fair for them. Because I'm Upwa, I know better, I know how confident we are. And now we have Miss Korean fight, okay? Okay, can I read your comments? Okay, I want to read your comment. Di mo na to kora yumi ba mi, no? Nakite na tera la pa online sa ba host ania ke ya lo na hua. Do ta mi ni no na tela pamara ko ni pamara pa de ba se pya we mi no? Yele apologize na we ba ba lo. Na kite lo yete o me una lo ta na chumo cha le. Na ta cha ni wa de ba khi kanya na la pa ta pa ma ba khi kanya na di. Ba khi kanya na bitili comment ne tela pama o me na. Mi wini nagato tarota pa wadi wani na talola but the ten win klo no mi ba Okay. Say whatever you want, okay? I did not apologize here. I went and I apologized on the comment that she initially posted. I say, hey, I'm older, I apologize. That's all I say. And I delete it. But she posted, she said that I just tried to make myself have a pretty face or whatever. Okay. Ladies, you can't have both way, okay? I'm trying to explain everything already. If you guys think you guys are right, go ahead, go forward. Maybe one day when you organize everything and you will see, when you got people attack you and when you got people that posting negative things, and good luck with that. See, Smasher, no? You doing this for cloud mama. What is cloud? What do you think I make from YouTube? 500? My living expense is like more than 3,000 a month. I work, I have income. This YouTube thing is just a side things that I'm doing for fun, okay? Don't say things that you don't know. You are younger women. You should not say stuff like this. Nitu ke wata sa nitu ya te chai bale. Wa te kro chai ni wata bwa. Wa te la ba ma chile YouTube. Na chumu ba ni chile YouTube si ales Maisha. What do you think how much I get from YouTube? You think I can make a living out of that? What do you think? You think I get any money from Facebook? No. I did not do anything for cloud, okay? Okay? Kinky Joe, you only talk shit on live. All right. Patasa ka dura chai na chumu sawa, no? Timothy pa lidu thoti chale de tinya ba, no? Na ke ye shep ya thala mu no ni, no? Na he ka tu taro ta pari, no? Timothy pa lidu thoti di lai de tinya ba. Okay. Stop bringing up my parents. If you want me to stop bringing up your parents, please talk like, a young women that have brought up with good parents. When I'm trying to talk nicely and you stay like, say stuff like this. I can call you right now. Do you want me to call you through live? I can do that. Okay. You go to my Mumu my personal page, and you can send me message there. I'll call you right now, okay? Let me call you right now, okay? You want me to call you? Sure, I can do that. Please. See. Send me your message request and I'll call you. What do you want to say? You can say on my face. Hello. Come on, live. I'm fine. I got nothing against anybody, but I gotta explain when you're spreading, misinformation like that. It wasn't about opinion. It was about attacking the organizer. Okay. It doesn't do anything good to anyone. That's true, no? All I do is explain it. I listen to what you said. That is why I respond. If I did not listen, I probably don't know how to respond to you. What about you call me so you can tell me on my face whatever you want to say. Okay, no. What? Yes, just call and you can tell me what did I cross my line. What did I say? I read the whole comment that you posted. I read the whole comment that I posted. I said everything exactly that I commented, and I explained why we did what we did. I did explain everything. Okay. You te ara mula ba no? Nami edu teda nakoya la messy nakoya keketi, no? Nakoya la when I'm not acting like a victim. I'm never a victim, okay? I am never. Why? Because I am responding to you. If I was acting like a victim, I won't even like say anything back to you. Why? Because victims, they always scared of the attacker, right? I'm not scared of you. Why would I scare? I did not say anything wrong to you. I did not do anything wrong to you. All I did was explain to what you said about the host, the organizer, okay? Okay, call me right now, okay? What about you call me right now so we can sort this out? Go ahead, send me a message request and, just say it in front of everybody, okay? Yeah, get in the call, please. Get in the call, please. Let me log into my personal account and you can send me message there. You don't you don't have to send a friend request. You can just send a text and I'll get you from there. I'll call you back. I'll be able to call you back. We can do that. Well, I explained everything nicely already. I did, didn't I? I explained to you here. I explained to you everything. But this is what you said to me. Mumu A blocked my comment. She said I'm older, so I apologize. She don't need to say that. I'm 23 and I know better. She apologized to make her face pretty. I'm not buying that. I know what's on her mind when she said that. I don't know. You can read my girl. I don't. Well, if anybody think it is unfair, I already explained it. I'm not God. I can't please everybody. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I can't please all of you. They're all the bossy women here. Can we just let the younger girl have some fun without we married women bringing some drama? Can we do that? At least for them. Chỉ lo bùi nè. Nó lo bùi lo tỏ ni wa mẹ tê chana ni nó awe ni lo bùi tơ lo. I know she can read my mind. I know she can read my mind. That's why she said I did that just to make myself look good. I was really sincerely trying to say I'm sorry. I mean, how sincere you have to be on text, apologize somebody on text, right? I mean, text these days, all younger generation, you know that, right? You just say, hey, I'm sorry, and you delete your comment, and that's it, right? I don't know what kind of apologize they all want. They say, I wasn't being sincere. You want me to just like do this? Okay. I am listening. That's why I'm explaining. Why we go zigzagging here? I don't get it. Yeah. It's all right. You can say whatever you want. Okay. I already explained everything to you. The only reason that we have single and married different. And how many married women here that agree to that? How many married women here? Can you show me or disagree? If you agree, you can say you agree. If you disagree, you can say disagree. I'm okay with it. ปะมาโลโชเวดาเนาะปะตาซาแล้วเวนี่ Miss KnyawMu เนาะ if you agree you can show like thumbs up. If you disagree you can show like thumbs down. I just want to see, yeah, I don't know why like some of them like can't agree. I mean, all I thinking for like the younger people, or it seem like the agree folk don't care about okay, seem like most people agree. So democracy, we do only misses this year. Next year, hopefully, if we got, more resource, we can do both. Yetinya when you put a kwanaki edum mawe chimono. She's explained why she organized the way she did, and you can't even accept but what everyone to hear your opinion. She just responded to your opinion. I know that's pretty easy. I don't get it. I thought everybody read English pretty good or maybe better than me, isn't it? Okay, dila within no. Edo tewera mono. Because tasani mono when you permit chumurani chumuki koya pa mono. Me winnie tikwa no. Tikwa ni lo. You can ask question before you say anything. Namia share chani ni badu mono ka badu de yebayula ka badu era patasala ka nulora ti no tu sa ka badu bam nu ko le we ti tela mu pa do ta gi chim na mu pa do ta gi we no mu pa ni do ta gi ni tlo tela ma ba no ya you mu pa lo ku ta ni I agree nothing wrong with it I know nothing wrong with it thank you guys thank you hosting an event is not easy. It is not like hosting a family event prayer. Your turn will be next year. That's true, no? Na my event kan ito nyore na sebya ta bobo nya niya where everything's about their opinion. Baby mama better. Baby mama, we know we are better. That's why we're not feeling bad to give space to the younger people, right? Mia no, but tinya mo no, but get baby mama ni, we're great. That's why we have to give. If we're great, then why not give somebody else space, right? Come on, ni pagkama baby mama no. All the baby mama can sign up for that. Penny ni the buy te ya le le the clear mar clear ba kwa pu nor gari na hua. Baba ilo ya ta le weni. I'm nobody's side. We have to know the meaning of miss next time. Do Mrs. You can Google that. It's okay. Everybody can have a different opinion. No, she doesn't call me. Yeah, ada koya ba mi koya ni. Wilo mo mia. She played the victim, always want to share her opinion to people, but other people' opinion. Look, don't you see that? People post their opinion here. I click every single comment here. Come on, girl. What are you saying? Here. I just have to have more people that agree with me. That's all. What do you mean? I'm not the only one that talking here. You saw all these comments. These are their opinion too. Yes. During live streaming, it's not about the person that during live streaming talk. It's also about the comments that people commented. Those are their opinions and it matters too. That's why I do a lot of live streaming. It's not because of I like to show myself all the time. It's because I can interact with people that watch live streaming. I can respond to them right away. I am not a victim at all. You girls are crazy. Look, I'm not a victim at all. If I think I'm a victim, I won't even respond to you guys. Don't be silly like that, jeez. Yes, we encourage teenagers. Why not? Why not? Mia. You guys have to make a movie. I will be director. Mario ka de meta no Mario wa jama no. Yeah, you copy say de wa meta baba mo ku dani. You think you're looking good for bringing in people on live? No, I just think everybody can share their opinion through comments here. You can do that, and of course, other people can do that too. And I do live streaming all the time, and sometimes I don't read comments and stuff. But this time I do because I want to see what else people are saying. Okay. I thought you understand like social media more than I do. Live streaming is like two-way communication because you can do live and people can comment instantly right away, right? Come on, show me some education there. You all should have never get married and have kids on first place, blaming on yourself, goofy. Oh my God, that's her. Don't say that, okay? I got married when I was 21, okay? You talk while you kiss it and you come on, no? What I need you think, no? When you top while at the South do want here, they're pretty, yes. They're smart, yes, but we still have to, give space to some younger folk, Drama queen, can you get in live show, please, you young lady? I was just giving one opinion. This bring to a big problem. No, 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 no. Look. First, I went and I explained to you, right? I did that, right? And then you said stuff that aggravate me, and I posted on like the page, and you still like not backing off. You still say that I'm bringing drama. I have to explain it. Yes, you say one opinion, but how many people go and take your opinion as it's the fact? They believe it, that I am trying to separate single married women, because I think married women are less important than single, which is not true, right? All I'm doing here is explaining. Can you like calm down? Like, I don't know. Okay, after I explain it, I will delete the post that the comment that I post. It's not because of you asked me, or it's not because anything. It's just that I want to delete it. That's all. Okay, you don't have to come back and say, "Oh, I do it just because I want to have a good face." But I will keep this live streaming because I want everybody to understand the reason that we're doing single, and we're not like putting married women there yet. Okay. You guys are wrong. I'm the only one right. True. You're the only one right. When you don't open your mouth, you're the only one that right. I never see women do Miss KnyawMu. They are non-knowledge. You don't know the differences between opinion and insulting. You dragging it. Okay, I'm not gonna show any negative comment or other people. Okay, because yes, I did not call anybody ugly, or I did not call your name, or I did not degrade you in any manner. All I'm doing is explaining what we did, okay? What I did, okay, whatever this English thing. I don't get why you need to go on live and do all this. You don't get why? Why is to explain to everybody that I did not separate the married women just because what you guys think. That's the why. I thought I explained the why many times. Don't be funny here, because I think you guys are way more educated than me, and younger people I always have high expectation that they have, open-minded. They are open-minded. So I already explained the why many times. Okay. Or maybe doesn't understand my Korean or my English. When you speak both languages and every language is gone. America Fashion or Miss Universe, what I know is only single people enter. I know that is right. And we're doing only like Miss Korean is like, it makes sense to separate so nobody got feeling hurt. I know like married women got feeling hurt because we're not doing like married, but the only reason is like we don't have enough money and we don't have enough time. That's the only reason. In the future we will try to do married women, beauty pageant. Okay. Oh god, I'm okay. I'm very okay. When baby mama start the teens, gone start the drama. All is for attention. Yes, we both got attention. What about that? You got attention too. I got attention too. So I already have a lot of attention on social media, both negative and positive. So I don't really care. I got nothing to lose, and I don't make money living out of social media. Okay, I have job, I have income. So what is this attention gonna do to me? Nothing, right? I got more negative attention than you think. So come on. I got thick skin. People call me all sort of things. To bring fun and unity for young generation, start little bit at a time isn't bad because it's not easy to manage an event. That's true, no? You have to rent the venue, you have to rent for the music and everything and the lights, and you have to organize everybody, you gotta spend a lot of time. That's true. It's not easy to just get out and say, hey, let's do event. Everybody like both single and baby mama. Yes, I wish it was that easy, but it's never that easy. I know. Next year, right? Next year. I already told everybody next year we have baby mama. Comments on top or topping not finished only show herself will be done tonight. I used to have so much respect for you, not anymore though. Okay, no problem. I don't really care. Why? Because you said things that insulted and I responded. You think you respect me to begin with? No, you did not. Okay, you did not. I apologize to you and you say stuff that mean. What do you mean you have so much respect for me? Don't be funny here. Let's just be honest. You don't like me and it's fine. I have no reason not to like you, okay? No reason. Because I don't waste my time and energy try to think, oh, why I hate this person, I don't like this person. That is just a waste of time. I'm way too old to not like anybody, okay? Let's just give her all the attention. Girl, I got way more attention than you think you would get me. Both negative and positive. I have got all attention already. I don't need this one for attention. I'm just trying to explain to you guys, and you guys think I'm trying to get attention. You guys try to get attention by posting things without asking me why. You can simply ask why you do that. Why you do not put, married women? I will explain to you. You do not do that. You go and you post on social media. Everybody come and share and comment laughing. Of course, I'm gonna go and explain to you. And now you think I'm looking for attention? Look, I've been doing this live streaming like more than 3 years. So much attention there. Sometimes I don't even want it. What do you mean? Gosh, silly. Hello, Mupua, who gonna fair of us? Hello, husband, only husband. You respond is not a good response. Okay. You can say whatever you want. I can say only what was my intention. I can't force someone to believe me. I can't force someone to think in the right mind. Okay? I don't care. I responded nicely. I deleted. You keep going on. And now you still I want to keep saying it. Girl, I respect her so much, but not anymore. Look, it's okay. It's okay. I don't need everybody respect. I don't need everybody. The funny thing is that you attack me and say you respect me. Like, bro, come on. I'm not gonna attack somebody and say, oh, why this host doing this, blah, 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 and say, I respect you so much. Okay, now this is the real drama here. Mm-mm. She come on live to explain your question and opinion to better understand you guys. You guys are mad. You can join this competition. You are all enough to let the teens have their fun. Go to a pageant show, all single ladies. Okay, those are the opinions. So okay, I bring out the other opinion too. So it's not all about my opinion that you guys like. Some of you guys say okay. Okay. This never end, I think. Okay. I think I explained everything clearly already. You can keep saying whatever you want. Okay. Lady Atu, I did explain to your comment. I did not call your name. I did not say you should respect me or anything. I explained to you the reason why we have separate group. Okay. You guys, I'm not asking your respect, okay? And I did not think you guys respect me to begin with. If you respect me, you wouldn't say anything like that. So don't play the game here, okay? Don't play the game here, because now you're making yourself sound silly, okay? Because if you respect someone, you won't say anything negative about that person, whatever thing's going on, and then now you come back and say, I explained to you a question, your opinion, right? And now you say you don't respect me anymore. Whatever. It's not like you pay my bill anyway. Right? Enough with drama, okay? You ship ya with a pay lo, no? Pala na person na pala, no? Pala when right? I explained this, right? You to go by me no, you to chore ba, you to tell a love di ba. You ship ya da lo comment kani lo mia. I don't know why they don't get it, you know. All right. Anyway, there's no reason to keep, you know, responding to these kiddos that, you know, have the baby brain, right? Because you can argue with them, so it will never end. Okay. Ako dani kemo tani da no polemi edu nila weda weni pamu bwa no weni mu gisela da pako kwa sawa de no pa organize mini da organize pa organize Mr. Ni da pa ga mi organize da pako support we te mi no. Let's not cause any drama. Okay. Okay, this. How do you guys choose? This is not models. We're not choosing models, okay, to save time and budget. I think you all should choose the prettiest or prettiest girl instead of a random girl. I mean, if a fashion show, people want to see pretty girls. Everybody pretty, okay? Beauty standard is not limit, okay? I don't limit beauty standard. Yet the limit cover beauty standard and but thor and about clear Johnny Bano, who then if I call Dani Atakita Lani, hella personal, no? It comes from their personal hudani. You will see, you know, you see when somebody a contestant, okay, show their personality, how smart they are. That's what we're looking for, okay? We're not looking for just the body, okay? Okay, I blocked those already, okay? I can't keep helping you guys because you don't listen anything. So all right, who else? Who else here? Just only a few. I think just only two girls here that were can't have enough of the drama. So we're just gonna put them on time off. Okay. That's true, no? Next year, marry women. Why we be upset, okay? Next year, we do marry women. Okay. What else do we got here then? You know, the funny thing is, no, lo niña, no, the block on it, te rota pana, we are in the Mickey te when you tell any te chawa, no. I don't get it, you know. Alright, no. Tahanya ni kamera poi lo ku ta ni no. Pa mi ma jera ni no. Ta ba te ara ri ye ka pya ni te do te no. You know I'm going. Ti me no. Ku ta ni ta pa mu rai ni no. Pa ma jera ni no. Ta si ble ba me nya no. Ku ta ni no. Le ki ni ta thu ta kla wi lo. Ku ta ni no. Ya ni cha ni lo no. Ya ma jera ni la ta ta u lo no. Na ki wa mi te cha ni ni no. Thu ta kla wi lo ku ta ni. Right? We don't have to scare off the drama people, right? I know, no. They when they can, no. You take a look at my time, no, no di la we te ye share ပြတာနေ make sense လို့မြင်อ่ะเนาะပမိမာရနေတယ်ဘဝပကမှုပွားရှေပ confident ဝီမာเนาะပတူတာဝီမာတလို့တဲလာပါဟုတ်ကဲ့နေ A married woman with 13 kids got first place on a married woman show in Myanmar. Yes, I saw that, right? A put the chitha ganya ni and nila prepa matemu pua lo mona. Puta ni tatea tu le ba mono. Pa mi matemu pua ke ni. Pa mu kwe pa mi mala tasa kla ni tasa ke te pua lo mia. Tu mu pua le tu mala wa kla wa ni tu cho wi ko pa mia no. The fe ji ba mia no. You have to think like that too no. Puta ni mi ma mu pua lo cho ni ese lo. Nobody can argue, right? So mupua leleni no, lila leleni mea no. Nobody can argue, right? Korean always like this, no, fight over country, fight over food, fight over literally everything. Yeah, other people do only single. Oh my god, they create drama. They keep telling me that I try to look good. You saw me, right? You my live streaming ni okay ni tani ni no. The blood con ni yala je the blood con ni ye te mi je ba mi no. Tu ti lo mi yala ni tu ti ba le li mi ko ni. This is Miss KnyawMu, not Mrs. So get over it. They act like they are pretty. They want to be there. Yatala. Ye blog we ako na ye me the blog we ani ye me bring out the comment ni ba yula ta ba do china ye pa me pa na ni wa no wa te ya di ni the pokle no che ba Oh, Queen Harry minute Lucille hora no Queen Harry minute Lucille no ko ta ni kham sin ni ye interview wa phat dur kha no ko ta ni ta ha nyai ni ye ko wi ba che pwe yi no ta la ye adu she pya ti u ku ba kha wa da la kri ni ta di ta ya ke tho we da no lu ba da ta ma che no ko ta ni do pwe la ta u ma che da kri ni do pwe khe lo mo no me adu ma che da we ni ma che no me te adu ma che ba de lu te cha lu ta ba no ba te cho we che no no ba mi no OTD ကတော့လာဝဲနေ hyperverse ဒူဒီနော်ခမချီမကတဲလောဘာခတာခါနီဒီနော်တဝီလနော်ဘလာတနီယိုင်နေယမ zoom ကျေနော်ကိုတဲ့နေ class မှာစကလောတာလောနော်နကေဘဲ attack ရဒီနော် good night sleep well sleep tight don't dream about stupid God bless you and your family you're welcome နာမမပတိလောတလာခမစီကတော့နော် drama ကဲတော့ဒီလေဘတသိရပါကိုတဲ့နေSee you guys later. They start first, but when you try to explain, then they turn it out that you are the one started. I know. We tell ya te gilo ta. Tell ya ma di to ye tension ke ni. The you all YouTube pa yi le pa cho ya de ble le. No one will fall model who have ugly each New drama. Ye te lo da bure wa ta sa no blo ba ke cha no ba ta sa le te ba ko ma no okay di la ge de ne na ba chi lo ta la khem sin no na le gi na ye pho ki ya ni pwe premium pa chi choi ta li ya de nya ba